Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet. In the last episode, we completed the resort planet of Kauai, and we got these two devastator missiles to kill. Yeah. So we completed Kauai, and we found a guy in the sewers who wants raritanium for something called the Persuader, which would allow us to get discounts at Gadgetron vendors. So, my God, these things take a crap to kill. So, in this episode, now that we have the O2 mask, we are going to explore more of this planet, see what it has to offer us, and see what we can do here. But first I gotta buy up on some of the ammo, because, my God, this thing takes a lot. The blaster, let's go ahead and just keep throwing it at him. My God, 5 hits. 5 hits to that. These things take 1. Wow, that really tells you a lot about this. But anyway, how you guys been doing? I've been doing alright, for the most part. So, on these things, let's go ahead and move on. And look, another Gadgetron vendor right past where we getting held up. Alright, so over there we can easily see an infobot. So I think we're gonna head over that way. Fill up the wakers. Oh shoot. You know what? Here. Glove of Doom. Just die. Oh shoot. Cool. Man, these gloves of doom are really coming in handy. I don't know what I said, what I meant before whenever I said I didn't like them. Anyway, keep moving. Wait, we did fiery pipes to quit burning. Let's chase after that infobot. Man, how am I missing all these things with my attacks? Anyway, let's go ahead down here. Oh, this is making me sick. I usually don't get motion sickness. So, we gotta hop over this using the finger. Right into the den of lions. Or like danger. Plus, this game doesn't offer experience for anything, so, yep, we just keep going. My god, destroy one of these things, please. Right, fine. Oh, shoot. Dang it. No. Okay. This thing's freaking me out. Good thing those things don't follow you. If they followed me, that would really piss me off. Oh shit. Good. Oh shoot. Why'd you wake up? You didn't need to wake up! Why'd you wake up? Damn it!
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Alright, I'll meet you guys back where we were. Oh, damn it, come on. Come on, game. I'm just gonna wait for him to go back to sleep. Oh, damn it. Oh, come on! No, dang it, I still had the slingshot, damn it! There we go. Alright. So now we're past that part. Let's see. Wake him up. Nope. Good. Damn it. No. No. That ship screwed me. Damn it. I can't get... What the hell? Alright, fine. He's back. No. Damn it. Don't stop for anything. Don't even stop to fight him. It's not worth it. Alrighty. Alright, we can finally get this info bot. Damn it. First person view, see if we missed anything. Nope. Okay. Alrighty.
Hello again, everyone. Supreme Executive Chairman Drek here to fill you in on our progress. We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet, one which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed. That's why we've created this! The Planet Buster Maximus, a device capable of blowing an entire planet into subatomic particles. We're quite proud of it. Here's how it works. We attach the Planet Buster to this ship, fly it into orbit around the planet, and let it go! Kaboom! Quite ingenious, really. Once our trained professionals put the finishing touches on our new planet, everything will be complete. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now this guy's gonna blow up an entire planet? That's just mean.
That's what I've been telling you.
Look, I'm still gunning for Quark. If we end up taking out Drek too, hey, fine. What?
You do care.
Don't push it, pal.
area. And now everything's open to us. We've seen this all before from Clank's point of view, but we haven't seen any of it from Ratchet's point of view. So let's see what we can find in here. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and see if we can try and take out the other part of this. Oh man, thank God there are no enemies this time around. Alrighty, so that's that part of the map we cleared, so let's clear the other half. This might be a bit of a longer episode, but alright. Oh my God! Can I not hit the damn...
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Maxed out.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh my God, hit... Just ignore it. Oh, don't even start with me. I'm a Lombax on a warpath. But no, that's not where I wanted to go. Thank you. If I would have hurt myself doing that, I would have rioted. I would have just shut the video off right now. Wouldn't have even had a proper goodbye. Oh my God. Run. Bolts aren't that important right now. Well, damn it. Oh my God, I can't make it. I wasn't gonna let those things kill me again. Oh my God. This is really starting to annoy me. I think I'll be done recording today once this video is done. close recording. But at least you get to have a video of me raging out. And thank God we are just about done.
This is a premium nanotech dispenser. You can purchase a can to increase your maximum health.
Oh, hell yes, please.
This dispenser also carries Ultra Nanotech, the very latest in Gadgetron technology. Ultra Nanotech is 3 times more potent than Premium Nanotech.
How much does that cost? 30,000. I don't think so quite yet. But at least we got a health upgrade. Here I was thinking there wasn't any upgrades in this game. Anyway, now I head down here and realize that we are right at the beginning. Right at the beginning of Clank's course. So, having gone full circle and completed this planet, I think we're going to end it off here. So, next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we will be exploring the new planet of... New planet of Hoven. And guess what? That's where Raritanium is. So, we're going to go there, get some Raritanium, and we're also going to, we're also going to destroy the Planet Buster. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. But anyway, if you guys like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and have an awesome day.